In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shaders in Minecraft Bluestacks. If you're running Minecraft inside Bluestacks, you're using the Android or Bedrock version. That's important because shaders here are packaged as resource packs and must be compatible with Render Dragon, the current Bedrock graphics engine. So rather than classic Java shaders, you'll be adding a Bedrock shader or visual enhancement pack. Start by launching Bluestacks and opening Minecraft. Give it a moment to load to the main menu so the game is ready to accept new content. Keeping Minecraft open in the background makes the next part smoother. Now, inside Bluestacks, open the Chrome browser and search for Minecraft Bedrock shaders on a trusted site. A common search phrase is Minecraft Bedrock shaders MC PEDL. You're looking for a resource pack file with the .mc pack extension. That format tells Android to hand the file directly to Minecraft. Download the pack of your choice and avoid anything doesn't clearly state Bedrock or Render Dragon support, since older shader methods won't work on recent versions. Once the download finishes, tap the .mc pack file from your downloads. Bluestacks will route it to Minecraft automatically. You should see the game switch to an import screen with messages like import started followed by successfully imported. If you see a duplicate warning, the pack is already installed. If it fails, the pack may be outdated or not Render Dragon compatible. Try a different one that clearly states support for your version. With the pack imported, go to Settings in Minecraft, then Global Resources. Find your new shader or resource pack under My Packs and tap Activate. You'll know it's enabled when it moves to the Active section. This sets it up at the game level, but you'll still choose whether to use it in each world. To apply it in-game, create a new world or edit an existing one. In the world settings, open resource packs, move your shader pack to active for that world, and then enter the world. Once you load in, you should notice the visual changes, things like improved lighting, sky and water tweaks, and subtle color grading depending on the pack. A few quick tips for best results. Because Bedrock uses Render Dragon, effects can be more subtle than on Java, and not every pack will transform the game dramatically. If performance dips, lower your render distance or turn down other video settings for smoother play. And always stick to reputable sources to avoid broken or misleading downloads. That's it. Import, activate, and apply in a world. Enjoy your refreshed visuals in Minecraft on Bluestacks.